Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about: is this the final washout? Is this the final washout? Are we going to see things going down even more? Some people are calling for another breakdown to the downside for Bitcoin, and if that happens, that's going to be taking Dogecoin down with it. So we're going to be talking about that and much more, guys. So let's jump into content without any further delay, guys. So let's get it. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So absolutely, let's get into it right now, guys and gals. So right now we're seeing that the daily on-chain volume, we're seeing that almost about $150 million of Bitcoin has flown off exchange, so that is pretty good. We're also seeing pretty much the same amount of money has flown off the exchanges for Ethereum as well. So that is pretty good out there, that we're seeing more and more Bitcoin going off exchange. If you take a look at what's going on right now with the heat map, we are seeing a little bit of a respite from the previous days of the redness out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin is slightly up right now. We're seeing that Ethereum is slightly up as well. So nothing too big to write home about, nothing too exciting. We're also seeing that the Doge is up right now as well. If you take a look at what's going on with the total market cap right now, we're seeing that the total market cap right now is up almost about 0.76%. So not too shabby out there. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up slightly. We're seeing that Ethereum is up as well, about 0.5%. We're seeing BNB is up right now. And that is, there's a big announcement coming from Binance as well, and that's one of the reasons that BNB is pumping. We're going to be talking about that. We're seeing Dogecoin is up almost about 1.82%, so not too shabby out there. And we're seeing that the total market cap is still above $10.5 billion, and we're still in the 8th spot, guys. So smash the likes, booyah, and don't forget Dogecoin 111, Dogecoin to the freaking moon, guys. So if you love the Doge like I love the Doge, guys, smash Dogecoin 111. I thought this is interesting. This is a video of where Sam Bankman Fried Chicken is staying right now. So as you guys heard, that he has brought himself forward. He's basically asking for extradition. So based on this, I'd be asking for extradition as well, because this looks like a HE double hockey sticks hole out there. So if I was Sam Bankman Fried, I would be looking for extradition as well. So it looks like we're seeing this a huge analyst coming in who's saying that, look, we could be seeing a massive Bitcoin crash before the end of the year, guys. So what he's saying is that please beware that Bitcoin is developing an infamous 3 blind mice chart. So we're seeing this whole infamous 3 blind mice chart. He's saying that, look, based on this pattern, we could be seeing that Bitcoin could be going down even more. And he's kind of forecasting that Bitcoin could be going down to around about $13,000. Now, he did say that we have some huge psychological resistance at $20,000 out there. He said that, we could be seeing ourselves going up to $20,000, and then we could be bouncing back. But he said, look, I think that the absolute bottom for Bitcoin realistically is about $13,000, guys. So what do you guys think? Do you think this 3 blind mice pattern is going to play out, and we're going to be seeing Bitcoin going down to 13K? I mean, from my perspective, if we do see Bitcoin going down to 13K, I'm not going to be panicking out there. I'm going to be stacking the sats like a madman out there, guys. So let's get it, guys. Absolutely get it. Also, this coming from Trader Tardigan, it looks like BTC has fallen onto a lower time frame on the H4 breakout zone, and that is the red there. This is the red here, and that equals about 17,000.2K. Closely monitored on the price action at this level. On the daily chart, BTC is holding up inside the ascending channel right now, and just below the SNR flip zone. So under if we go below this area here, and that will take us down to around about 17,000, about 17,002. If we go down well below that, and we are down there right now, that is definitely going to be bearish for a Bitcoin, and we could be seeing ourselves going to be flipping bearish for Bitcoin. So I think we're flipping bearish. Things could be going down, down. We're seeing this final washout right now. So we saw that in 2011, 2014, 2018, very similar structure. Right now we're down minus about 46% from all-time high. We're having this final washout. And every time we have this final washout, then we often have a nice reversal to the upside. So that is what's happening. That is what I think is going to happen. I think that we're going to be having a downside to about 13K, and then we're going to pop back up, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. It looks like Dutch Bitcoin exchange Bitvavo is having liquidity problems, and they could be shutting down as well. Some more crypto contagion. You're seeing that also U.S. prosecutors are probing Sam Bankman Fried Chicken out there for political donations. So it looks like they're investigating where these political donations went, and what is going to be extended. So we're going to hear more about that as well. out there. So that's not look good, not a good look out there. So it looks like, as I talked about in my previous video, Crypto.com basically took a look at Binance's proof of reserves, and they did this by looking at the blockchain and querying what's going on. And as you can see here, that Bitcoin, the number of Bitcoin being held right now is 30% of all the Bitcoin held on reserves is held by Binance. So that is pretty big, and we're seeing that Coinbase is holding about around about 26% out there. So not too shabby, but we are seeing that if we take a look at the net liabilities and excluding in-scope assets lent to customers, we're seeing about a 101% ratio of Bitcoin, compared to what customers are holding. So it looks like in terms of the liabilities and the proof of, the proof of reserves, looks like that Binance is definitely backed 1-to-1 in terms of customer assets and what they're holding on their exchange. So that is good news, absolutely good news out there. So what else is coming in? We're also seeing this coming in. Breaking news, BNB is pumping as Binance CEO CZ announces new CFO, independent board, home office location, and tier 1 auditor vows to complete full audit of the company financials and internal control. So it looks like they could be getting maybe Deloitte Touche or KPMG out there. So that is pretty good. If we take a look at the total market cap of Binance right now, still worth 55.1 billion out there. So you guys are wondering what's going on. We're seeing a lot of old coins are still going down even further than what the market cap is doing. And that is because Grayscale is selling a lot of its crypto. It needs $1 billion to shore up Genesis out there. So these are some of the cryptos that are going down. Filecoin, Litecoin, Solana, Stellar, Luma, Zcash, all these cryptos are going down right now is because they're trying to dump them on the market because they need to shore up some more capital. This is from Stock Money Lizards, and what he's saying out there is if Binance doesn't blow up, we won't likely see lower prices. This bear market feels ripe enough. I still think that we still have some gas in the tank to go down. We could see a $13,000 coming in, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Hopefully I'm wrong out there. And this is from Doge Designer. He's saying, look, we support you, Elon Musk, and this guy's kind of taking all the shots to protect Elon Musk out there. So also this is coming in. Looks like Jack Sweeney, the person behind the Elon Jet Twitter account, has said that he'll leave Elon Musk alone in exchange for Tesla or $50,000 out there. That is weird and wacky out there because Elon Musk did say that he's going to sue this guy for doxing him and his family, guys. So that's what that's all about. Right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is sitting at 0.785 in the house, and it is just going sideways. It is just gingerly below my 0.792 area. So hopefully this will hold, and we'll see Dogecoin reverse to the upside. So I'm hoping it's going to hold. We're seeing that right now Dogecoin is up about 1.82%. It's at 0.7917. Let me give this a minute to refresh, make sure we got all the correct and right data for you out there. So it's still up at 0.7916. It's still up 1.75%. The market cap is down. Remember, it's Sunday, so they're going to be seeing a lot of light volume, a lot of light trading, and we're seeing that the total market cap is up about 1.75%, and that's at $10.4 billion out there, guys. A lot of people are still longing Dogecoin, and I'm longing Dogecoin. I'm still believing Dogecoin. I'm still hodling like a madman. I'm not selling anything, and I am buying the dips, guys. And I think by 2025 to 2030, I definitely think that we're going to be seeing that $1 coming. $1 Doge will be coming in by 2025. I absolutely believe it. If we take a look at where Doge in terms of social mentions right now, we can see that Dogecoin right now, in terms of social mentions, is looking at, it's still at the 7th spot, so not too shabby out there. Guys, do your part, and don't forget to go to Twitter, create some content and push the Dogecoin up by getting engaged, guys. That's the only thing you can do is engage with the Dogecoin. And we're seeing that right now Dogecoin social engagements on the monthly is down 45%, not looking too good, and on the weekly also down 28% out there. So that is not looking too good out there, guys. So that is kind of nasty out there, guys. Just to show you this chart again, remember we go through these peaks and valleys. Definitely Bitcoin goes through these peaks and valleys. It definitely rhymes, and we can see that right now we are still looking pretty good, and we have 142 days that from previous cycles bottom. We're seeing 1,421 days has completed, and we will see absolutely a reversal when we have the next halving, guys. So don't be too despondent out there. Don't be too negative out there. Things will definitely pick up, guys. Absolutely, things will pick up. If you take a look at what's going DXY is going up, not looking good. We're seeing that right now Bitcoin is just kind of going sideways right now. It's at $16,750, and that's down very slightly, guys. Weekly also not looking good as well. We're about to close this weekly candle, guys. And if you're worried about your crypto, get a hardware wallet. The link is down there as well. Guys, join the conversation. Absolutely join the freaking conversation. Discord link there if you're not getting notifications from YouTube. And that sometimes happens, guys. Let's see what's going on with Shiba Weeby right now. So Shiba Weeby is, it's spiked today. It went nuts today. We had a pretty big spike today. We saw that, from the bottom to the top, we saw that Shiba Inu had about 11% spike out there. So that's kind of interesting as we get closer and closer to the Shibarium out there. So that is kind of interesting, guys. Here's why Shiba Inu sees a jump 10% near future, and that is because the Shibarium is coming out pretty soon. So that is pretty good, guys and gals. So get ready for it. Get ready for it. We're seeing Ethereum right now is also just kind of trading sideways. It's 1182. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy. Don't panic, guys. Absolutely don't panic. It's a great time to be alive. And remember, we're going to see some more chop. We could see cryptocurrency going down. We could see Dogecoin going down even further. But don't panic, guys. I believe in 2023, things will improve, guys. Things will absolutely improve in 2025. The amazing $1 will be absolutely coming in, guys. It's going to be just crazy out there. Do go follow me on my Twitter, guys. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to check out all the links, guys. All the links are below. Get the Dogecoin, Tippy Jar, the Discord link is there, and it's all there, guys. So check out the links, guys. Don't forget to get the merch. I appreciate it. So, guys, be blessed, be well. I'll absolutely see you guys in the next one. It's a great time to be alive. I love each and every one of you out there. Don't forget to share this content. Dogecoin 111, guys. Hopefully, we'll see better days. Hopefully, things will be more positive, guys. Happy Sunday out there. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.